Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lima beans, and I have some suggested food or flavor combinations that are known to pair well with lima beans. So if you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this will help. How about combining lima beans with chili pepper flakes, garlic, lemon juice, and some olive oil? Or lima beans plus corn and tomatoes, they'll make a succotash. How about lima beans plus corn, garlic, rosemary, and tomatoes? Another type of succotash. How about lima beans with fennel and garlic? Or try lima beans with feta cheese, olives, and tomatoes. Lima beans with feta cheese and spinach. Lima beans with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and oregano. Lima beans with garlic and onions. Or try lima beans with scallions and yogurt. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.